Our next stop is the Jolly Holiday.
What is up, you guys? We are back here at the Jolly Holiday to try the toasted, I have to read this, toasted Salsa Roja chicken sandwich combo. I guess it's like a Jolly Holiday combo, but it has...
What kind of soup?
It has a tortilla soup, a red tortilla soup.
Is it hot?
It's hot, Juan. In case you were wondering, that's Juanito.
Juan, is my soup hot?
So hot.
Is it spicy hot?
It's so hot on this perfect hot southern, hot California hot day.
The soup is just as hot as you are.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Aw, happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Just kidding. Okay, babe, we're gonna try the soup first, okay? This is a tortilla soup. It looks very creamy.
It looks like a squash.
It does, but it's okay.
Pumpkin soup.
I don't want.
Butternut squash.
There we go. I got a few tidbits of tortilla strips in it. Girl, it's good. I like that. It's no tomato bisque, but I like it. You know what's gonna be good? Dipping that sandwich in there. That's gonna be good. You wanna try it?
It's good, but it's weird.
I like it though. I like it. It's different. I like it.
Yeah, it's weird.
For tortilla soup, it's more biscuity. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? It's definitely more biscuity.
Yeah, but it's good.
I'm just gonna dive right in. I'm just gonna try this sandwich right here.
Here, you want what we got?
The key is you gotta dip it in the soup. It adds a little kick to it. Not a lot, just a little.
Is the soup spicy?
Oh, thank you.
Good.
No, it's not
It's
spicy.
spicy.
It's not
No?
spicy at all.
Has a little
It's
kick.
it's super hot on this hot day.
Can you show us the inside?
Ooh, good.
It has like little tortilla chips.
Yeah.
I just ate. Now they're gonna make me try it. It smells like a...
It's good. It's cheesy. A lot of chicken. They have corn tortilla strips in there.
There's cheese in there?
You probably want to get it again, is what you're saying?
I probably wouldn't get it. I get the classic. It's good. It's different. It's way different.
Yeah.
What's the price point?
Try it with the dip it in the thing.
Is it the same price?
No, it's a little bit more.
How many dollars more?
Like $2 more. Adds a little bit, right?
It does. I'm fine. It's not my thing.
Not so.
I'm not sold.
It smells good. It smells like Costco.
Again, I can never tell with Juan until after he's done.
It's okay. It's nothing special.
You want to dip
It
it?
doesn't have any like seasoning or...
You want to dip it, Juan?
It's very safe.
It is very safe. I have to
No
say that.
flavor.
Juan's going for the dip. The dippo lip right there. I like it dipped. I think it adds a little bit to it.
I like the soup.
The soup is good.
It's
The
a
soup
little
is
bit
very.
spicy.
No.
Yeah, it has a kick.
I didn't think so.
It has a kick. It's like a peppery kick, right? Like cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
I have to say though, I do like the Jolly Holiday combo better. Just give me the grilled cheese and the tomato bisque.
I
over
agree.
this. I do think though, if you're really hungry, this is probably going to fill you up a little bit more because of all the chicken that's involved in that sandwich.
True, I agree. I like the regular combo better. To me, it's very tasty, simple, comforting. But this is not bad. It's not bad, but it's just wouldn't be my go-to.
Okay, you guys, I know Becky's told me to get this before, and it's the Pumpkin Layered Cheesecake.
Why are you still eating?
And you told me before, so I want to surprise you with this beautiful Pumpkin Layered
After that
Cheesecake.
monkey bread, you're having more?
Yes, because this is cold. This is cold after that hot soup. This is nice and cold. Feel it. Ooh, ooh, it's cold. Let's just dig into
I
this.
think that's the pumpkin spice cider. I'm like,
Okay.
There we go. Let's go straight in, straight into the corner. It's like a bunch of mush. That's pumpkin overload. I actually like that. That's like pumpkin pie right there.
Okay, let's try it.
Oh my, oh, I'm just gonna get another bite before you dig in. Why haven't I been holding out on this one? Oh.
Holding on to you for this one?
I don't. I can't even speak. I can't even
know what you're saying.
Hi.
We are
Whoa, that is sweet.
Ain't no monkey
It's
bread,
like
huh?
the inside of a pumpkin pie. It's just like a pumpkin pie filling, just a little softer.
Oh,
Lick it off. Lick it off.
Vampire. That was so gross. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's too sweet.
Oh, it's so good though. Are you kidding me?
It's like a mouth. It's a spoonful of
I get to eat the whole cake. There's, you know, at the bottom is the cheesecake. The very bottom.
What cheesecake?
Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka.
I am so stuffed, you guys.
I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy, so we're going home. But I have to say, I would definitely recommend that sandwich. I still like the grilled cheese Jolly Holiday combo
Yes.
better, but I didn't think it was horrible. I think it was good. It just wasn't my favorite of all time, you know?
Yeah, it was good. I just like the other one better. I mean, but you can't really compare them. They're two totally separate things. It was good. It's just not, it wouldn't be a go-to for me.
Yeah, but go try it. Tell us what you thought in the comments down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with all your friends, say goodbye to Juan, and we'll catch you next time. Juan, you gotta ring the bell. Juan, Juan, no, the bell's not there. Juan, the bell's, it's over there. Not that, you can't blow the horn. You gotta ring the bell. Goodbye, Juan. Goodbye. No, that's such a weak ring. Yeah.